Joe Bottom camping ground. Just high here is our mushroom festival venue, and this is how we are, nice as it is. Yeah, we are getting set up. The day is Thursday, Friday and Sunday. Those 3 days. Don't miss. For us, we already here. This is our tent. So we are already here. So please don't miss it. Just come. Look at the site. Look at the camping ground. Look. This is how it is. Just in the middle of nature.
What did you?
Yes, because it is what it's what I was said to do.
Bakwata nawe n'otunula emabega kakati gw'okola creek. So this is the creek that is near, or that is bordering the place where we are going to have the festival. So
it is bordering
the campsite. Okay, this is how it looks like. The sun is setting, and yeah, some people have already come and set up some tents. That one has set up a tent. This is how it looks like. That's how it looks like. The whole place is really beautiful. Joe Bottom campground. This is how it looks like. The sun is setting.
So Joe Bottom campground. And now go the other side.
Wano wayitawo 3 phase. Ano si 3 phase. Wano wayitawo 3 phase. Wonna baatemawo emiti 3 phase weeyita. Tebiringanga ebyewaffe nti batema enkya ne basimba. Happening at Joe Bottom campsite. I almost said Joe Biden. Joe Bottom campsite, where the festival will be happening starting tomorrow. Thursday's arrival, Friday, and then Saturday will be here. So people are already setting up their things and stalls. You can see this is a 360. A 360. Oh, the lights are already installed. Woo. Please come. Do not miss. We are waiting for you. It's only you missing. Come, we have fun. I'm glad Eco-Agric Uganda also has a stall here. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Really nice. naye bannanga America esigala America bannanga ebintu byabwe byonna birungi abula bannange n'okasetingira ddala
nakalina driving tukola bintu binene nyumba nene